properly cooked steak is a thing of beauty, and to do so, it's critical to get the heat just right. The ProTemp Plus wireless thermometer does just that. It connects to your phone using Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. No matter what you're doing, your mobile phone will send you a reminder when connected to Wi-Fi, granting you the freedom to prepare the rest of the meal or entertain friends and family. The probe handle has advanced jewelry-grade zirconia and is capable of resisting ambient temperatures of up to 400 Celsius or 752 Fahrenheit. Similar products can only resist temperatures up to 275 Celsius or 527 Fahrenheit. The innovative design contains a sensor in the probe that detects the temperature inside the food, plus an additional sensor on the tail that reads the ambient temperature of your oven or grill. There are also multiple probes, which allow you to cook several items at a time, and to perfection. The ProTemp Plus alerts you when your desired cooking temperature has been reached, freeing you to get other things done instead of having to constantly check the meat. The charging base is a standalone temperature display device you can place next to your grill or oven, allowing anyone to help monitor the heat. This sleek base is designed with 2 power sockets, useful for powering other cooking-related tools or charging your phone. The ProTemp Plus is compact and easy to carry. With built-in magnets and internal rechargeable batteries, you can easily take this unit wherever you go. The moment you cut into that perfect steak, you're never going to forget how easy it was with the ProTemp Plus.